We make our paths, we're independent. We dump our boyfriends and we do our hair any way we would like. We figure out that we are attractive and we look around and how we love to live the single life. And then we tell ourselves we'll never fall in love again. But then he comes around and suddenly we understand that we have never really been in love before. And suddenly you know what all the love songs that they write are all about. And suddenly you don't care if it's right or wrong as long as he's around. And suddenly the things they used to sound cliche are perfectly right in your eyes. Oh, perfectly right with this guy. I know it's weird, but we are connected. And in some strange and crazy way I think that we have always been. And now he's here and he says he loves me, and it feels so right. In fact, it feels so good that I can't sleep at night. But I just told myself I will not fall in love again. But he just came around and yeah, he made me understand that I have never really been in love before. And suddenly I know what all the love songs that they write are all about. And suddenly I don't care if it's right or wrong as long as he's around. And suddenly the things that used to sound cliche are perfectly right in my eyes. Oh, perfectly right when he's here. And yes, I know you might get impatient, but look around, he might be walking right in front of you. And if he touches you and you feel your skin